At present, there are no plans for spectrum to be made available in a timely manner for 5G on an individually licensed basis, on a privately licensed basis. However, it's somewhat unclear what spectrum might be appropriate to use for 5G within private spaces for private networks. For example, to support automation and control applications within a large factory or within a large industrial park. The prospects for private networks based on public cellular network standards have, however, never been greater. Barriers to the adoption of technologies that were once the preserve of mobile network operators with licensed spectrum are really falling away rapidly. And the cost and the complexity of deploying and running a long-term evolution or even a future 5G network is decreasing. And crucially, the options for access to suitable spectrum are increasing in several ways. There's now a real excitement that private cellular networks can deliver real benefit to enterprises and to other organizations. And this is really spurring the vendor community to develop innovative products, solutions, and deployment models, particularly in small cells and core network software. Private LTE networks are growing in significance, and many of them will be built without public network operator help, using standards compliant with LTE base stations and engineering, procurement, and construction software from much smaller vendors. But the large vendors will ultimately sweep out much of this market, and there's an opportunity for operators to co-develop networks with enterprises and others, such as city authorities and specialist solution developers for privately owned networks. There are more of these opportunities than ever as businesses digitize their activities and wireless connectivity becomes increasingly important to more organizations, from production lines in factories to precision agriculture in things like farming.